So if you want to learn how to make this free color monkey fist, paracord keychain or a key fob, stay with us by the end of this video. Enjoy and have fun! Hello my friends, welcome back. Today we're gonna use this white, red and blue Paracord 550. The ball and this sling clip or a carabinier. But before we start, the credit for today's project goes to our friend Tim over the Weavers of Eternity, so check the description box down below where I post the links to Tim's Instagram and YouTube profile. And also, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I am wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box. So that being said, we're gonna start. First we're gonna take the white paracord. So we're gonna simply wrap it around our fingers. We're gonna create the 5-strand monkey fist. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the top, but only 4 from the bottom, so we need to wrap it one more, like so. So as you can see, on the back side or bottom side we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 strands, and on the top we have 6, but later on we'll have only 5 here. So now from here we're gonna insert our ball between the wraps or strands of white, and then we're gonna take our red and we're gonna place it through, like so, and we're gonna wrap it around also the 5-strand wrap. So 1, I'm gonna pull and pinch this red with the white here, so we have a 1 wrap, and as you can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on top, and on the bottom we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strands. And from here we're gonna pinch this red and white and we're gonna remove it from our fingers. Now from here, as you pinch it, we're gonna insert our blue. So here is the longer red cord, so we're gonna insert our blue here from this side. So place it, insert it through. Now you can take the end of a red to have exactly the length of a red and the blue on the end, so we need to pull more of this blue strand. And now as you can see we have the same length of a blue and a red, and from here we're gonna turn this around like so. So from the back we're gonna pull our shorter end of a blue. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, so we have 5 blue, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 reds, 1 2 3 4 5, 2 3 4 5 6, this will be later on changed, and 1 2 3 4 5 here as well. So now when we tie this, we're gonna cut off this axis of a cord, these two whites, shorter blue and shorter red, and we're gonna tuck them under the first strand. So this blue will go under this first strand of a white, this white will go under this first strand of a red, etc, etc. So let's start. So from here we're gonna create a little knot here that will lock our monkey fist. So we're gonna do the simple snake knot. So we're gonna wrap the red strand around the blue one, and then we're gonna take the blue behind the red, and we're gonna return it and pass it through the loop that this red strand created. So from the top through the loop, And from here we're gonna take our sling clip, and we're gonna attach our cord onto the sling clip, so this will be enough for our keychain. Now we're gonna create the double cow's hitch on top, so we're gonna take, let me show you, we're gonna take our red and pull it from the back through, then around, and we're gonna return it through the clip, and now from the top into the loop. And now we're gonna create the Cobra knot. So take the red strand, place it on top of the blue strand, blue around the red from the back through, so you can leave it like this, or you can create the King Cobra. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!